13th May 2020. So let's start our class. The first news coming from a digital conference, that is Restart, to celebrate the National Technology Day. In my current affairs session of 12th May, I have discussed about National Technology Day. Let me discuss this now also. National Technology Day is celebrated on 11th of May. Okay. The theme was rebooting the economy through science and technology. Okay, the theme was rebooting the economy through science and technology. So why it is celebrated, I have discussed in my current affairs session of 12th May. If you have not seen that video, please go and see that. Harshvardhan addressed the digital conference Restart. Okay, Restart. The meaning of restart is reboot the economy through science, technology and research translation. Okay, science, technology and research translation, to celebrate the National Technology Day. National Technology Day has a great importance in India. Please go and see my video of 12th May. Let us see our next current affairs. Atal Pension Yojana has completed 5 years on 9th May 2020 with 2.23 crore enrollments. Let us discuss this news. Atal Pension Yojana is the objective is to deliver to old age income security. Okay, the main objective is to deal with old age income security, particularly to the workers in the unorganized sector, and government providing guarantee of minimum pension after 60 years of age. Okay, so I will come up with a new video on Atal Pension Yojana. Stay tuned to Dare to Win classes. Let us see our next current affairs. Department of Consumer Affairs partnered with Safe Job and seek to power Suraksha Store initiative. So what the news is coming from FSSAI. The news is coming from FSSAI and also from Ministry of Home Affairs. So FSSAI is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India and MHA is Ministry of Home Affairs. Both have partnered with two tech startups. First is Safe Job and the other is Seekify, to use technology in the local Kirana store to control the spread of COVID. Till 80 lakhs till now Kirana store have participated in this initiative. It is designed to keep the health of the people during COVID-19 and to initiate home delivery, because we all have Kirana stores in our locality. If they participate in this online initiative, what will happen? If we order something from our home, they will deliver it to our home and we will stay safe in our home. As we know all that due to COVID-19 pandemic is lockdown all over the India. So government from Ministry of Home Affairs have launched an initiative with Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, that is FSSAI. Okay. Let us see our next current affairs. The next news coming from Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh became the first in the country to launch FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana. The news is FIR is first information report. We used to give FIR to police in case of serious issues. Okay, the FIR first information report. So Bhopal to enable people to file FIR from their home only instead of visiting police station. So this is online FIR. This is in the first in the country Madhya Pradesh police has bought. Okay, as we are discussing about Madhya Pradesh, the CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and governor is Lalji Tandon. Please keep in mind. Let us see our next current affairs. Jitendra Singh addressed Indo-Bangladesh virtual conference organized by ASSOCHAM. Though Jitendra Singh has participated in the India-Bangladesh virtual conference ASSOCHAM, as you can see here, Jitendra Singh, Ministry of State, Prime Minister Office, Shri Congrats Sangmaji, Honorable Minister of Meghalaya, and Honorable Commerce Minister, Government of Bangladesh, Shri Tripu Munshi. This conference was held. ASSOCHAM, the full form is Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry in India. The main target of this virtual conference was to give a boost in the economy after COVID-19 pandemic, India and Bangladesh has been planning to trade in many aspects such as coal, in paper, manufacturing industries. They are planning to trade in plastics. They are planning to trade in energy sectors. India and Bangladesh has been coming forward also in bamboo sector. Okay, so India and Bangladesh have decided we will create a new paradigm after post 19 COVID with development in economy, scientific research, called upon trade and business organizations. Okay, so very important partnership between India and Bangladesh in this COVID-19 pandemic. Also, India and Bangladesh is together. Okay, so as we are discussing about ASSOCHAM, the headquarters is in New Delhi. Okay, and president is Niranjan Hirandani. Okay, so please keep in mind Niranjan Hirandani is the president of ASSOCHAM. This was a virtual conference and it will help to maintain tie-ups with Bangladesh. Okay, let us see our next current affairs. The next news coming from sports section, that is especially the award section. As if you are updated with current affairs, Sania Mirza was nominated for FED Fed Hurt Cup. Now she has been selected for the Fed Cup and she has become the first Indian to win the Fed Cup 2020 for Asia and Oceania zone. So Sania Mirza has got the Fed Cup. Fed Cup is the world's largest annual event, international sports first international team competition in women's sport. So it's the great news for India because she became the first Indian to win the Fed Cup award. It will be in part of examination to please remember in mind. Fed Cup is the world's largest annual international team competition cup. To please keep this in mind. Okay, let us see our next current affairs. Appointments it is coming. Kumar Sangakkara, as we all know, is the president of Marylebone Cricket Club (MCC), but he has been re-elected as Marylebone Cricket Club. For a kind information, Marylebone Cricket Club has headquarters in London, UK. Okay, the headquarters is in London, UK, and he is the first non-British to be a part as its president. Okay, so please keep in mind and please keep this appointment in mind. It will be a part of examination. Science and Technology section, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Union Minister of Human Resource Development, launches Central University of Odisha helpline Bharosa to help student in distress. A Bharosa online helping number has been launched by the Central University of Odisha because in this COVID-19 pandemic, the minister is being thinking about the students, and the main initiative is that through a Bharosa platform, it will help students so all over this university, and a helpline is launched. It was a step to take care of the mental health of the students, and so that student should be in touch with university and could share his problem. Okay, it is a great initiative because due to COVID-19 pandemic, as the name is pandemic, there is pandemic everywhere. So especially to the students to get their support, Bharosa was launched. It was it is just like a counseling helpline for the students. Okay, so please keep the news in mind. Let us see our next current affairs. This is science and technology news. So China has launched 2 satellites for IoT projects, that is Internet of Things. The name of the satellite is Xingan 0102. Okay, so please keep in mind this news, very important. Another news coming is from the Under 17 World Cup to be held in India from 17 Feb 2021. So India has been will host this. Okay, that is All India Football Federation, that is IFF, and the local organizing committee, that is LOC, for FIFA Under 17 Women World Cup to be held in February 17 till it will be up to March 7. Let us see what happens. March 7, 2021. Okay, keep this in mind. FIFA headquarters is in Zurich, Switzerland. Okay. Keep this in mind. And okay, let us see our next news. This news is coming from the obituary. Very important news. An actor, Jerry Stiller, has passed away. He was a comedian also and an actor also. Passed away at the age of 92. Please remember this obituary. Let us move to our next current affairs. Let us important days. So International Nurse Day is celebrated on 12th of May. It is celebrated to mark 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Okay. So as I used to discuss the days, I used to also discuss the theme. So let me discuss the theme of this. The theme is nurses. Nurses, a voice to lead nursing the world to health. So the theme is nurses, a voice to lead nursing the world to health. Okay, so please keep in mind, World Health Organization designated 2020 as the International Year of Nurse and Midwife. So please remember this news also in your mind. Okay, so thank you for watching Dare to Win classes. A like, share, and subscribe to Banta for this video. Thank you for joining Dare to Win family.